Hello, I just want to give you a quick update about Ebayomatic, that it was updated and starting from now it also supports importing content from eBay Motors category. Until now it did not have this feature, but starting from now it will have the ability to also import eBay Motors. So let's import, for example, uh, Audi. Two posts, and this will import from eBay Motors. If you want to also import from a subcategory, you can click here for eBay Motors, and you have to copy the numeric ID of the subcategory you want to import content from. uh, eBay custom subcategory ID, paste the number here. So this will import content from cars and trucks from eBay Motors. Now let's go ahead and save settings. Let's check the content that is right now on my test blog. It is just a test post. Let's import some new posts from eBay. We should get cars only because we imported from the cars category. Yes, here it is. The plugin will import content from eBay Motors. Okay, so this is all for this update. Now keep subscribe to this channel for new updates and new features for my plugins, also new plugins that will come in the near future. Until next time, bye bye.